Hello and welcome to Draw with Kyle on Kyle's Digital Designs. If you guys want to see any more of these kind of videos on the channel, let me know down in the comments below and let me know what you guys want to see next on the channel, as in if you need help on anything in Infinite Painter, let me know and I'll be gladly to help you. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the clipping tool. It's very easy and simple to do. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do is go over to your tool and get a solid fill tool. I'm just going to make a round circle. Get the circle tool. Make a round circle. And I am drawing on my Note 20 Ultra. It's the only device that I have to draw with since it has a S Pen with it. Hopefully in the future I can get a tablet or something to draw with. But for now I only have my phone. So after you guys draw the circle, say you want to get a shadow and highlight around your object that you're trying to do, and you mess up like this. This would be the shadow, and this would be the highlight over here. Now all you would want to do is go and click on the page, and there's a clip tool at the bottom left. If you click that, it will clip it inside the circle or object that you're trying to make the shadow around. So let's say I clear these up, clear, and let's get a white and make sure we are on the brush, spray brush, and let's make a white highlight. I'm going to clip it, make it a little bigger, make a white highlight at the top. Alright, that looks good. And then I'm going to make a shadow at the bottom. And then I'm going to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to put a highlight behind it a little bit. Shrink the tool or the brush. Give it a little bit of highlight. Might be too much, but I'm going to go and blend it. And the tool I'm going to be using is the same spray tool that I used before. And I'm going to blend it all in. Alright, that's nice and blended in. At the top where there is more light, I'm going to go do another clip or another layer. And I'm going to put a little bit more brightness on it. And what's cool about this, you can make another layer on top of that one. You can pick a color that you want. I'm going to go with a darker yellow. For the shadow part, I'm going to go down here and make it a little bit yellow, just to where I could blend it in just a little bit. I'm going to get a brighter color. Just for a little bit of a highlight at the bottom. Go up just a tad bit more. Shrink this brush down. And I'm going to blend this in with the gray and black. To make it one. I'm going to get the yellow again. A brighter yellow. And then I'm going to blend it one more time. And that is how you guys use the blended tool feature on Infinite Painter. If you guys have any questions that you guys are struggling with or concerns about the app, let me know down in the comments below. But if you guys learned anything on this video, make sure you guys hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button for more of this kind of content on the channel. But with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next drawing video.